we are going higher, higher, higher every day. Ogbola, you know say, I dey happy.
Higher every day. We are going higher every day. Higher, higher, higher every day. We are going higher every day.
You know, somebody send this thing for Twitter. So why be saying only you they dance shocky?
James, I see the
Me,
tweet.
I know they dance the thing.
I see this.
Because he's not well.
Because
you not be the time to dance the shocky be this. You go there early morning.
Did they get time to do dance shocky?
Early, yes.
I wake up with rejoicing in my system.
Pack it.
Hey,
pack it.
Your shocky is stiff.
Can't hanger.
Your shocky is stiff. You forget to say you did like this. You did like this. You did like this. Wait. You tuck it. You know, you elevate it. You know, you point it, you take it higher, no chesting involved.
Hashtag shocky dancer.
Hashtag shocky dancing. No, how are you?
Oh, now good morning, it's better than just morning. Inside party be the name of the show. We have come to the show in the morning time. We're moving everybody in the party. We are the reggae party. We gonna come on the party. I'm off my mind. See reggae.
I want twerk.
Respect yourself.
Respect
which kind of disrespect?
I want twerk. Not
what's
twerk, not
wrong with you? What's wrong inside you?
Respect yourself.
Oh, that is I should be telling you.
It's too heavy.
Early morning you want to movie like rack chick.
I invest like this.
Rack chick. Rack. I'm gonna forget today na Thursday.
It's too early.
Tomorrow is Friday. Weekend have come.
You know what they
do. Johnny.
Like
we just take this first video, you know. Make we take you some ginger.
But before that video, I the verse.
Why?
Nigeria, you know the Go Nations Cup.
I forget that thing. We talk better thing. They talk Nigeria go Nations Cup. Because let us watch a video. Don't be telling me about this Nations Cup thing. Me, I knew.
For that fine stadium.
Stadium they spend plenty of money for inside for our house and because now equalize 2-2. Now they do anyhow. I beg. Video. Don't be I beg.
You don't do now. Wait till now you they provoke. What's wrong with you? Hey, pause speed for this table like this now, eh?
So this is how to catwalk for those of you that don't know. What happened? No, but really, what happened? You catwalk, you do reverse. To come make them better, you can't set face, can't do meow.
What if the meow inside the thing?
My brother, that is the height.
That is the Olongbo spirit.
The height.
It's cat spirit.
The height.
Which height?
Never sang the one that happened. How can I
house I take intimidate me? Forget I go speak anything.
Now you know.
But my chicken water could better water.
Your sweet labels like reference sweet.
My chicken that take what they call it. Back to you too. Back to you. That silence language you speak is back to you, Maya.
Meanwhile, we get gist for una this. I don't pay you. I don't shakara you.
I dey see you like all those outside girls. They wait for road. They beg money.
You fear.
Fear that. No, I just look you.
Now that money for the north. Now this is Nana kuya kone go mamu kone bawe mo na yesu do mi ne ba mo de ai ki bane oni abone ya fa no ba mo de kone ntin abunchi ala ze ntin ado ko dana ko ba mo wona abo dana ko ma mo wona abo that's what they do. If they want to do greeting, maybe they go radio station. They want to do greeting their father, their mother, their uncle. Na ga de babana, na ga de mamana, na ga de Aisha me say the tomato, na ga de Aisha me say the atarugo, na say the Suleiman me intakle me, na say the na so them they do.
But when you see Hausa girls, they always have to speak. It is sweet. It is sweet.
I know they like abunda kemun yan so fana. Wona abunda kemun Allah na kasa man kai.
They bust my brain.
You're just saying kai stop it honestly.
Wallahi, you are busting my brain. Yeah. But you want stop this thing.
Give them gist.
I like what you are doing for like.
You too like play. Let's give them gist. They don't talk girl now. Don't like a
stop it, I like it, wallahi. Hey,
you want start, I make us start. No, you start now. You don't say your own. My own.
Okay. Now, the gist for today. On top yarn. We get the gist of this man. It's a very, very sad story. this man, he just come out for house on the Wednesday night, and security guard, he be, 50 years old man. Now so he take work out. The next morning, they say no come back house again. His name now Mr. Joseph Oranusi, 50 years old man. He say, so he take loss. So 5 days later, after they don't lost for like 5 days, in family they can't see a dead body for somewhere for road like that. After they don't complain, they run up and down, they can't say they don't finally see the dead body for ground. And say all this matter now, but they can't do autopsy for the whole level. They can't find out saying die natural case death. You understand? And
so not say them mob or anything like that.
It's saying just that natural case, saying get hypertension, and they drink different medicines. So maybe now on the way back from work that morning, he catch him for road. You understand? So but police can't talk say they for feel help and say person see him early.
Quick.
You get? But my problem for this whole matter be say, why be saying that those old people they do security man work? If you don't notice,
you notice
old people they do security person work.
Yes,
why? There will be young men who they get ginger.
Even for here we get them.
Yeah, of course now. We have it there. Yeah.
I'm telling you, old
the one for my streets that time, that year, they call him Aso because they like to call himself Aso Rock. You see like this, and so old man like this, that man fit reach 92.
If
anybody come, I go shoot him. The day when Amra come our street, we no see Aso.
When
they don't go, they can come out.
Where they there?
Wait, you say forget it. They don't do it. They want to do it.
Aso has gone to hide under his bed in his house.
I don't know why. 50-year-old man. He never old sharp, but he get hypertension. Tension.
Our hearts go to the family of this particular person because they go, they worry, they find their papa, and then meanwhile the man don't kaput for one side
5
of the
days
road.
later.
Meanwhile, this one where me I won't give on well, sorry for the family, but this particular gist when I won't give on Ogbono, you have to prepare yourself for it. You have to gym.
I have to pay for it.
You have to gym because this gist is going to hit you by surprise. This thing I'm going to tell you. Yes, it will do you take it. This particular level, these two friends, they go party, they can't drink. They have a drinking moment of their life. Now, one of them, he can't talk, say, the one of the person named Mario, now 25 years old.
Mario.
Now, and I be the committee. The person weighing key, now I be the committer.
Okay,
yes.
Okay.
So, for a scandal now, the friend of Mario, that then drink, Mario can't say, he carry himself, go give policeman. Say, hello, I shoot my friend myself. After I shoot him, I come out in knife, I cut in blancos. I cut in blancos. As I can't cut the blancos, I say I won't bury him, but my dog, when I they walk, you get it? My dog perceive it, I can't give my dog make it chop him because I did drunk. And say while then they drunk, two of them, saying friend try to touch him in a very touchlighting manner. So, but because he they drunk, he can't verse. Come say him friend go peace, now so he go follow him. Just carry him friend knife, boots, come out in this fiaka. Can't give him dog. Make the dog just chop and heal. In the morning time, when he comes sober, he can't go police. Say me. Now me do this thing. Now me do this thing.
As man where I be, now I imagine the. Yeah?
So anything we
hi, you know they do us men for body well, not behave yourself now. It's too early for this.
Joe. Initial wiping, move your
behave yourself,
but this kind of thing. But my own be say at least you allow the guy die first before he cut her. If not, the kind.
No, but you see, this thing will show you say, see how alcohol they make person they bring.
My
that
brother,
evil.
Which kind of alcohol be this one?
no.
When we say you go kill and carry knife, cut them,
No, some people they. Some people they maybe not talk the Igbo part, maybe not the smoke Igbo join the whole thing. But you hear the scatter, you get the alcoholic figure drink, now you go on to get hot temper, they shout, yeah, don't try me if you try me.
Talking about hot temper, I still get one I want give now. These two couple schools now, they don't date for about 2 years. Now, this particular couple schools, this thing what they tell you now, couple schools, yes, man and woman. A woman get name and name is Folashade. She's 27. And then Jude, he have 39. Is the name of the man. The girl name is Folashade. Folashade, kudos to you, why namesake.
You never talk the bad thing we do.
Wait.
Talk now, they talk.
Meanwhile, they say they don't date for 7 years. And then perhaps then decide to marry without the consent of their parents 2 years ago.
Now perhaps it happened to true.
It happened. Perhaps the parents were not aware of the marriage consentment. So after they come marry finish, they come move to one new area. Because the neighbor, when see them when that thing happen, he say he never even reach 5 days where they're moving. And he said them be responsible tenants. They know they follow fight. But the girl, she get temper. And the man is a smoker. Yes. Only say she just noticed say Folashade borrow 1,000 naira. Say when my husband come back, I go give you. Say she want use and do something. But be as a peaceful person where she be now, then give her the money. Now in the husband come. Say around 2 a.m. in the night time. Now they just dey hear say Folashade come dey shout, help. When he come out, he say it's me, chook my husband knife.
Hi.
I chook my husband knife. Why you chook your husband knife and say, be me cause it's not my fault. You remove hanger. I want to scare you with the knife. I want to do him. I did not know the knife enter him. You have shook him. That's how you have just killed your husband. I'm telling you this thing. Now for last day, you have killed your husband because of temper.
See.
Telling you this thing.
You see your namesake. No. Yeah? You don't claim the name now.
No, but you know,
you see the other one now alcohol.
No, they blame
this one, he wants Shakara the husband.
I said, go they make mistake. Now I make mistake saying that my namesake for this kind of
thing. No, that is what I'm talking about.
You know, see when I do, you have killed your husband.
You don't already mess up. You don't ready to claim the name. Say, hey, Folashade girl.
But not be the matter of the story. Matter of the story is she killed her husband.
Why?
Because of money. She said because you want collect the 1,000, he borrow, he want return. The husband he no give her. He can't shoot a knife. He say he want to fear you with the knife, but the knife did not fear.
Want to fear? Knife now choke the man. The man you have died now. You come outside now. You can't they cry now. Say, not be every quiet person.
Yes.
Normal.
Yes.
Some quiet people.
Yes.
I quiet before. No,
they know they are right. Some quiet people. They know they are right. They are not okay.
They know they are right.
They are not okay.
Some quiet people know they are right.
We will take a break now. When we come back, we'll come and see more of the unquiet people that are not all right. You do any and now I took paper your mouth. I will took paper your mouth.
According to Constitution,
my name is
subsection 42.
Respect
I said to you and I quote from page 1.
We have a video now. We shall go into the video. What's wrong with you two? That's like that to be intimidating me.
Woman, I want to shallow my husband. I did the sugar.
Not my days. You ọmọ wo wá rè nítorí Ọlọ́run. Mo jẹ jìyà lórí àwọn ọmọ yìí o. Mo jìyà lọ. You will move out. Mo sọ fún yẹ.
Chris.
I'm Aisha Bello. Mohammed Aishat.
Afambo Amaka Joy Ugbo.
John Okwoli.
My name now Osam. I come from Okpokumi of Owan East of Edo State.
Borno State. I'm from Kano State.
Mbonye Delta.
I'm from Benue State.
I'm from Imo State, Nigeria.
Kenneth music number one.
Eje kegbe eje adami oya bo keleke obe vino oya me baba ele okay now
just hold on and be strong, it won't be long, it will be alright.
When I woke up this morning looking at myself, it be like say I'm shining. See the blessings multiplying just like the birds in the sky. I'm flying, so divining. We inclining, take it from me. I see good things are piling. It be okay, coming one day. Make we stay cool and keep smiling. Hey. No retreat, no surrender. Don't you give up, don't fight, you're a winner. Easy, it's gonna get easy. Hey. Don't you back down, people stand up. If you know you go win, put your hands up. Easy, it's gonna get easy.
Just hold on and be strong. It won't be long, it go be alright. Just hold on and be strong. It won't be long, it's gonna be alright.
Anyone talk say you know go make 'em a lie. Hey, burn them, make you get up for your glory. Just try. Yeah, don't forget, say na Baba God give you this life. So no let anything to stop you from going so high. See, it doesn't matter what you do or what you into. You have to believe in yourself and be true.
Easy, it's gonna get easy.
So don't forget where you're coming from and where you are going. No pain, no gain, keep going.
Easy, it's gonna get easy. Just hold on and be strong. It won't be long, it will be alright. Just hold on
up, you're moving. It's not easy, I'm not pretending. To tell you the truth, it takes a lot to work in. So I stand in front of you and say, don't give up, cause you will make it one day. Cause quitters never win and the winners never quit. If you try and you fail, don't be shy of defeats. Cause it takes a lot of courage to keep on moving. So stand up on your feet, your mistakes don't repeat. Instead you learn from it, wise up, goddamn it. Hey, it's too Baba and Joel, yo. Hey. We don't talk our own, yo. If you like me, make you take a message, okay, yo. If you like me, make you use, I'm used to work for you.
And I don't say anytime when I just chill like this, things are happening inside the studio.
Anytime
when they see me, I don't enter my fine girl mood. You go just know say something they happen for today. I'm telling you. And we have a guest, and he's a man. Hello. Hello.
I introduce now.
Hello.
We use 4 years to introduce our guest.
Whatever. Please, no, they rush me.
No, they rush me.
I don't tell me no, they drink sugar early morning. When you don't drink tea with plenty sugar, you go just they do anyhow.
When you don't see man like this, you just do anyhow.
What do you expect? What do you
Don't
expect?
share.
Anyway, the person we have with me today is a guy. He have not have hair on his head. He's a party somebody. And then this particular person again, you have won award in different places.
Gee.
You have nominated him in different places. He's a singer. You have just seen a video with T-Pace. They joined together. And people used to even confuse himself, but hello, this guy is a man of his own. He's a man of his own. I will not be tripping like this if he's not a alone man. Joel is the name of this particular person.
Joel,
yes, sir.
Yes, so.
I did it.
Brotherly.
Yeah, I can't shake you.
Yo, you can't.
See, no, see from there, don't do like this.
Oh, God.
Can I ask a question? Before
as you be like this now, you don't get tattoo of different men.
Whatever.
All the men they come
anything you want, you say.
From next week, now woman go carry come throughout. You cry for this show. We'll say
I doesn't care.
Why you did this show now? Me, I only get. Why you did this show?
You know?
Why
you? So now go carry beef come.
You know?
Hey, Toto. Talk for not rich.
You.
We're not rich.
He took you.
He took you. First after the show, we'll see back of camera.
But he still took you.
He took me.
So Joel, how far to you now?
I did. I got.
How you did this morning?
Me, I did say. Now leave me dope. Come up for house this morning. But as I see two of them, so
Kinabuti.
no, you they pay me if I talk about that. But I just include. I may not be like say.
Make it not be like say you lost. That's how it be.
On the black and black P.
You understand? Best color.
I told you, I'm a star. See the highs, see the bling blink. On top, Joel, as in this guy Joel, I see everything for your body. Plus your glasses and your chains and your beds and your wristwatch. I see everything for your body.
You try.
See what's at the face. My brother, not be small.
I mean, notice this my eyes coke by it's not for anything.
The worry my wallet, not be joke.
Joel, tell me, they nominate you for different awards.
Yeah,
tell us about that one.
By God's grace, they nominate me for Headies Awards. I get 2 nominations. One, Best Collabo, that is for Oya Now video, where I feature Orishefemi. Then the second one, Best Video, where Unlimited, Nancy direct the same Oya Now video. Then for NMV, I get 3. You Are in Love, Best R&B song. You know, then Oya Now, Best New Video by New Artist. Or Best Good Video by New Artist. Then the third one, Best Collaboration. Then Ben TV again from London, Best Collaboration. Hold On with Two-Face.
See, when you dey go, this go where you dey go. You know, say inside bag, you dey get one side pocket. Look at me, I'm not a big person. You can't just squeeze me inside. We can go together.
See how she dey reduce yourself.
I don't know if you
Look at this girl.
No.
Disgrace me on public like this. You want to be illegal? Illegal you?
It's
not illegal. It's not illegal. It is sporting opportunity and using it well.
Now love things. You know if you understand.
What do you know?
Let me get that bag.
What do you know?
Mama, we give you
see this boy. He said make I dey call her ugly baby. I call her ugly baby from last year. One kobo never fall out from inside the matter.
Maybe that broke. Maybe that mean broke baby.
Oh, okay.
Ugly baby. See, I want to give you things when they physical.
They will give you spirituality. So tell me.
Underground.
You know, say this guy don't they ask me, say they tell me something, say be like say you want drop one new song today. Just they talk about how. So make you just confirm.
You get one new bedway just come out now. The title na Onye. Now OJ be producer, Shema and I mix master you know. So now for people they come home for December, people still dey. Now very sweet love song. They go make you want fall in love.
So now back to love things.
Back to love things.
Now so it be now. You know say you.
No, Mr. Lover, I don't to give space. Well, I give space. Not in this industry. Guys, the para. Somebody will just go collect lover for your hand.
You have to put it sentently.
You understand?
By step by step.
You have to be giving them your selling point. You know.
So based on that lover, is there any lover that is loving you now? Hello. Hello.
You go say na music now.
So
as I say, who be your babe? They say
my music.
No, let me say relationship bad though. But sometimes say you dey single, no mean say you know they mingle.
True.
You understand?
True. You don't say you never marry.
Say you say single, no mean
say
you know
they mingle.
Na lyrics.
So it is sweet. It is sweet.
So
but you still never answer my question. You still never answer my question.
You ask me question.
Say who they love you now.
My fans now.
I like your answer.
This way, so you tire me.
He just they pay you.
You don't go best
Meanwhile,
person.
you need a biro. Write this down real quick. 0 quick. Yeah.
0
Write it down real quick. 0 Yeah, 3 4.
Her bank account she won't come for you. So now her account number be that.
So okay. Well, you been they talk something about the kind of women we not supposed to marry. Make we just use and wrap up the show, papa.
No, let's say we go just reserve that one. More done on the tomorrow pay. You understand?
More
that one
are
lengthy things. You understand? Tomorrow we give na gist about the kind of men or women we are not supposed to marry until they change behavior.
Okay.
That's on the. But Joel, before you come out, I hope say this you and Two-Face resemble things, sound alike things. That matter. How don't they be now? Let's say it's not they calm down small now. Onto
because
this
that means I have to share
so.
myself into two. There is you on one hand, there's Two-Face. Come on, I have to give myself
to one resemble, una sound the same.
Me, I know I make you even calm down self. They try increase them.
Based on who you be.
You don't be like as Boko Haram do, you say Boko Haram reduce. Their mission na to increase now. So make it increase, you know. So because the increment, people say
it pay
now for you.
All right, what will be your Instagram and Twitter handle based on that so that we go use them in case people want follow
my people don't follow me for Instagram now at Joel Kennis. The same thing for Twitter. If you want to spell them now JOEL KENNIS, Joel Kennis, Twitter and Instagram.
All right, one timely. Now we're going to do a game to fall out of this studio now. I'm a girl, I'm the only female in this vicinity. You have to toast me and he has to toast me. So whichever I agree, now so we go take come out for this thing. If I born from Nancy when this editor and producer will come out this thing, there's a problem. So I'm listening to you.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you a lot for now. Join us for this show for today.
I really like this kind of thing.
We'll see you now tomorrow on top Wazobia TV, on top Paddy Show. Follow us for Twitter, at Wazobia Paddy. At Wazobia Paddy, go there, go give us gist and comment and everything. Joel, tell me say you follow us this at the house. So if you toast and they go.
If you toast and they go, have you carry them?
The dagger, carry them. I want to run this show only me.
I will carry go.
It took you, say, man, come today. It took you.